You can't see us, but there's two of us here.
Yep, both me and Murray, me being Duggan.
Duggan,
And,
yeah, that's Duggan.
yeah, it's Duggan.
Duggan.
And we are going to teach you today how to use the physics website. The physics website is your friend.
It's very helpful. So this is, I'm just going to go quickly. These links here are off-site. Well, some of them are, right? This is the district. I'm required to make a link to the district, I noticed. This is the high school. This is Google. This is some links to cool stuff that you can explore when you watched every video that's on YouTube, right? This is how to contact me or contact Mr. Duggan. This is opportunities like the bridge contest for the Marines. That's kind of cool. You can check that out. There's also like ASE and things like that, right?
Oh yeah. So scholarship stuff, if you're into that,
there it
look
is.
at that.
If you see us with the camera, we're going to put it on here. The Rocket Lab. There it is.
They look like they're having fun.
Yeah, they're not having fun.
Because physics is fun.
Physics is fun. There we go. Okay. So there's pictures. Well, this is the Oaks Park website. We'll teach you what that is later when we get to Oaks Park. But it's got data. It's got how to analyze the data. It's got how to build accelerometers. Everything.
That's for your final exam, but that's not until May.
Not until May.
Don't worry about it for now.
This is the Extravaganza website, which apparently I didn't update last year. That's kind of funny. This is the research page. It's got cool stuff that the IB Physics kids do in the second year, which you could do too if you wanted to take IB Physics next year. This is a fish jumping out of a water droplet in zero gravity. It's kind of fun.
Can you guys find Greg Winterroad on this page?
Where's one? Ooh, oh, okay. Let's see, research. This is stuff of dubious educational value. There's demonstrations, cool demonstrations, stupid Murray gifts. This is kind of cool. I don't know if you've seen this, Mr. Duggan. It's like the school. Turn around. Let's go. Forward, 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 forward. We're walking through the school. Let's turn left. Let's go forward, forward, forward. Let's see if there's a tech wing. No tech wing.
No tech wing yet. Yeah, it's kind of old, but if you have a friend and they've never seen the school and you want to show them what your school looks like, there you go.
Don't waste too much time there.
No.
This is very handy if you're at school and you wanted to send one file home and you forgot your pin drive. You can upload a file, right? You got to type the password. We'll tell you that when we get when you're in class.
Yeah, we're not going to put the password on the internet.
Yeah, no sir.
You're crazy.
No sir.
I mean, we'll tell everybody, but in class.
Yeah. Anyway, you can pick a file and upload it.
Boom.
And then it's there. If next time you go to here to download, there's a link to it.
Boom.
That's kind of fun. We'll use that till they shut it down. This is, I don't know, this is probably one of the more useful things.
The more useful thing.
Yeah.
That link right there.
So
if you're gone, you've lost.
Documents and lectures. It's the night before something's due and you don't have a handout for the lab. And you think you're out of luck, but you're not. You have no excuse. Go to Physics G.
You left your homework at school.
You don't have the syllabus. There it is. There's the same syllabus that we put in your hands. Okay, there's everything there. In fact, when I'm at my computer and I can't find my syllabus, I use that. Okay, so there's,
so do I.
There's that. Here is the directory with all the handouts. In fact, it's all the directories. You can go up and be like, oh, every chapter we do, right? Okay, but there it is. And let's just take a look. Let's take a look here at some of those things here, right? Okay, so notice that we have a speed worksheet, right? Check speed 1 through 8. There's a worksheet. You don't have your speed worksheet. Well, let's see if we can find that worksheet. Where is it? Speed. There it is. You click it, and there it is. You can print it out yourself, right?
At home.
Yeah.
At no extra cost to you.
That's right. If you want the syllabus, here's the syllabus. Kaboom.
So great.
Okay. If you, the labs, everything there. Here's the labs. Here's some miscellaneous stuff, a mock test. Anyway, very, very cool. Okay.
No excuse not to have your homework done.
And then this is even more boring here. This is all the PowerPoints. So in case you have trouble falling asleep at night and you need to look at like PowerPoints and stuff like that to help you fall asleep, here's everything. And this is, I'll give you a clue, this generally is the block number. This is the first block, first thing, first block, second thing, third thing. Okay, so I've got them numbered in some sort of organized way. Some of them might be a little bit off right now because I haven't updated it, but basically there they are, and they're all in order like that. That's the order we do them in. Okay, so if you miss class, that's one thing you can do is take a look at that.
And any notes that you miss, you don't have to borrow notes. And if you were gone and you happen to look at your syllabus and you see that we talked about speed, why you could go to the speed lecture, and then you wouldn't be behind. Wouldn't that be awesome?
Let's show you something even cooler than that. Okay, let's go up here. So this is right here. If you go in here, this takes you off site to a Google site. It's the next greatest thing. Okay, these are all your chapters. Now check this out. Here's chapter 2, our first chapter. Now these are the same links. That's the same syllabus we linked to before. Use the back button on your browser. These are the same handouts we looked at before, et cetera, nothing new there. But here are little things for the labs. These are actually little support sites for the labs if you have questions about them. Here's a review site for this. But let's first look at these videos here. We're telling you to watch videos, right? So let's take a look here. Let's suppose you're doing vector velocity, and it's like video number B, right? Let's show you how to find that. Ooh, there it is, B. There's the B, right? You're going to watch this guy right here. Take notes, be able to explain it to your partner.
Now, take a look at that. That's 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, that's not very much time. Just watch the video.
It's a number line.
Is it a number line? I think.
It is a number line. Right, so there it is. Let's take a look, check it out. This is the B person watches acceleration, which is video C. See if we can find it. There it is, right? So you're going to watch that video. These things here are examples worked out. So if you need more help with it, you can go back and look at that.
Yeah, the examples are there in case you get stuck.
Okay, so there are those videos, right? Okay, now check this out. Oops, I'm lost. I'm lost on my website. Okay, so check this out. Here is your, these are the labs. The labs are very hard to understand. Let's suppose you missed the day of the lab. Here's all the explainy parts of the lab, like how to make the graphs, right? This is if you have a Mac, there it is, right? This is Excel 2003, if you've got a very old version of Excel. Here's how to do the tangent lines. We'll go over this in class, but if you miss it or you didn't understand it the first time.
Yeah, sometimes if we're talking too fast and it sounds like, you know, some strange moon man language, why you can look at that and it should provide some help.
There's the handout too, look at that. Same thing for reaction time. This is actually kind of lame. This is just me working it out in class, but there it is. The rocket lab. Yeah, I work out the stuff for the rocket lab there. Okay, now let's show them the best thing of all.
The best thing of all, your friend. The review for the test.
Check that out. We'll give you almost every test. I think every test we give you a mock test that's very, very much like the mock test. And in every example, we actually let you use the mock test on the real test.
So if you take the time and you care enough to learn how to do the mock test and you feel comfortable with how to solve the mock test, you're going to do well on the real test.
We're trying to help you out here. Here's the actual document. Here is what's in the document. And then these are terribly boring videos of me solving them at the whiteboard.
You think you're selling yourself short. Your videos are riveting. You'll pay for your whole seat, but you'll only need the edge.
As you slide off onto the floor. All right, look at that. Wow, like a test question. Look at that. I'm confused.
Check it all out. Yeah. That's what you want to do, and make sure that you got it all good to go before the test.
Yeah. There we go. I think that's the most important thing. I think we've gone over the whole website, haven't we?
One more thing. Say that you're doing some of the homework for the G problems and you're having trouble with speed number 7.
Oh, yeah, we forgot to show them that.
You could go on G Solutions.
Yeah.
This is like a security blanket. Don't be a homework writer-downer instead of solver.
Don't just copy it, but here's how to do it.
Say speed number 7. You didn't know how to do number 7. You could click on number 7 or just scroll down to it, and it gives you some clues. But you know what? I'll tell you what, both me and Mr. Murray know who is the homework copiers and who are the people that actually solve them. These are like a last resort, like you're tearing your hair out and you just can't continue. They're not just look it up and write it down.
You probably won't learn it if you just copy it down.
Nope.
There it is. These are the practice exercises in the book. This is an old study thing for the website. The one on the other site is better.
Yeah.
Um,
But all of it would help.
yeah.
Well, I certainly hope that you guys use this site. This site is your best friend. You'll enjoy it.
And then this is just new stuff.
Yeah.
Right here.
New stuff right there.
There it is. All right. I think that's
That's all.
all we need to say.